1, 2. You come right here. You look to his belly. 1, 2, 3. Baby, come here.
Yo, what is good, man? For today's video, pupunta tayo ng office. So, magre-report na tayo. So, let's go guys. Samahan nyo ako. So, napanood yata nila yung aking video, no? Na 2 weeks nang nakapagpahinga. Gago! So, for today's video, pupunta tayo ng office, guys. So, ito yung aming shuttle. Go, go!
A few moments later.
Guys, so waiting kami dito sa loob. Si Captain na magtuturo sa amin sa mga procedure na gagawin sa mga susunod na duty.
A few moments later.
There's a different scenario.
This one I...
Okay.
Like, hey, are you joking? 2,
2.
3.
But in the real life, it's more harder. Can I see? See? Yeah. Are you choking? Hey, can I help you? Is 2, 3. Middle, and then we take the other hand to cover it. Okay? And then in and up.
Yo guys, tapos na aming training. So pauwi na kami. We're done. Dumating na din yung aming shuttle. Ayun yung shuttle namin guys. Pauwi na kami. Fish, init dito. So yun guys, karating na rin kami. Thank you. Shukran lak Sadikon. So nakarating na kami dito sa accommodation guys. Thank you for watching. See you to my next video. And don't forget to like and follow nyo na rin ako para sa mga susunod na video. So, peace.
Gago!